What to do if your Toyota power liftgate have these problems.
And his button, try again. This is a 2014 Toyota Highlander. It has a electronic power liftgate. And this morning I open it up and now it's not working. See, hit the button, no beep, nothing. And I use my key fob. Nothing, no beep. So how do I fix it?
So if your liftgate is adding up, these are the steps you can do to bring it back to life.
And check this button. Make sure it's fully closed.
Also check the button on the left side of your glove box.
Open up. And here you have an on and off button. Okay, it's out is off. In is on.
If the button is off, push it in and turn it on. So if your liftgate still has trouble, follow these 4 steps. Step 1, turn off the button next to the glove box.
Okay, so make sure the button is come out. That was off.
Step 2, open the liftgate manually all the way.
Second, make sure the liftgate open all the way top, all the way up. Okay, all the way.
Step 3, hold the liftgate button until you hear 4 beeps.
What you do is hold this. You hear 4 beep.
Step 4, close the liftgate manually, then push the button next to the glove box to the on positions.
So I'm closing the tailgate. Okay, turn it back on. Push it in, all the way in.
Now attempt to open your tailgate with the fob or your liftgate button. If that doesn't work, it means that the 2 struts are broken, and you have a computer, you can hook it up and find out the code. And you need to replace it. They're not cheap, they're pretty expensive. Hope everything worked out. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Thank you.